Hi everyone, my name is Edwin Allerit. I'm an orientation coordinator in the Office of Titan Orientation Programs. Today, I will be walking you through a step-by-step tutorial on how to access our online orientation for our first-time freshmen. As you see on the screen, we are on our Titan Orientation Programs website. You will then need to scroll down to Step 3, Titan Online Programs. You will then click on the box that states New Student Orientation, available August 1st, 2020. Please use your username and password to log in. Once you log in, you will then click on Student Center on the upper left-hand corner of the screen. Once in Student Center, you will scroll down to the Admissions section. In the Admissions section, at the bottom of the screen, you will see a link that states Orientation. Click on that link. Clicking that link will take you to this orientation registration page. You will then be able to see your degree, your plan, and your application term. Go ahead and click Register for Orientation. Once in the orientation registration page, you will be given brief descriptions of the orientation. When you're ready, click on New Student Orientation to open up the orientation. Once you get to this page, this down arrow in the middle of the page will be clickable. This is the orientation homepage. When you click on the down arrow to get started, the orientation acknowledgement will appear. The cost of this online orientation is $20 and will be placed on your account as of July 1st. By checking this box, you are acknowledging this fee. Once you click this box, you are now able to click Next and go and start the orientation. If you have any other questions, please email us at orientation@fullerton.edu. Thank you.